Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video and update on Ondo. Alright, wanted to do a full update. Overall, I covered it the last time when we hit that significant resistance level at 80 and 75 cents. Strong psychological level, also supported by some Fibonacci levels. In general, it was expected that we would find some resistance there. We did drop down to the lowest point right here at 66.5 cents. I thought we would drop down a bit lower towards the previous major resistance level we broke above. But alright, that's the situation, and right now Ondo is trying to get a breakout again. I mean, in general, what you can see right now, which is obviously, or at least it's one of the driving forces behind this, is that the RWA, the real world asset narrative, is performing super well. All right, so if you look at this, you can see that at least earlier this morning, but definitely like this is over the course of the morning, right? So you can see RWA really peaked about an hour ago. Since then has dropped down a bit, but there is a lot of momentum, and it's not that correlated with the markets, which is always bullish. All right, so you can also see meme coins are performing very well, are performing relatively well. That's interesting. But I think RWA, and especially if you look at Ondo right now, has a lot of potential. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it, what's most likely, etc. First of all, if you look at this, if you look at this technical market structure, there's nothing bearish about this. All right, you could argue that after hitting this first resistance level, we got into some sort of a consolidation, and I won't argue against that. But usually, if you get a move with so much momentum, usually if you get into a consolidation in bullish market circumstances, which I'm not sure if the market circumstances are completely bullish, but all right, at least if you zoom out, they are. In bullish market circumstances, usually this turns into another rally. So purely in terms of price structure or market structure, it's most likely we will rally up higher. The fundamentals, I think, are great. I've said this before, but I think if you think the RWA narrative is going to be big, I think Ondo is right now the best pick, at least in terms of risk and rewards, because I think the risk is pretty limited and the reward is there. So fundamentally, I'm also bullish on Ondo. Right now, we just have to wait for some major confirmation, because even though this certain price structure usually results into some sort of a bullish breakout, purely technically, we've not had that breakout yet. All right, purely technically, we are still consolidating here between 68, 67 cents and then 80 cents at the top. So we need to wait for that confirmation. If we get that confirmation, like if you look at Ondo right now, the open interest, so the momentum that Ondo has a good chance to actually rally up higher right here and to have more dollars in open positions, etc. More people trading it. That chance is there, but that's something we'll just have to wait for. All right. If today, and I do ultimately, I think we can break above 80 cents and rally up higher towards 90, 95 cents at first, probably. Ultimately, I do expect this. Do I expect it for today? I'm not sure. We'll just have to wait. All right. If we get that break above 80 cents, great. There's confirmation. We'll rally up higher. If not, and I'm almost leaning towards not breaking above that, but that's mainly because of what I see from Bitcoin. But if we do not break above that, and Ondo breaks down below its main support level at 75 cents, we'll just consolidate. And ultimately, from this consolidation, I still think that we would get that bullish breakout, but then it would just take a little bit longer. But that's what you need to know. That's what those are my thoughts for now on Ondo. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.